And there you have it, the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange, signaling the end of the trading day. U.S. stocks rose today after another session of swings between gains and losses. The Dow Jones ended the day up about 425 points.
And the S&P jumped more than 1.5%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ was up about 2.5%.
Joining us now is Brian Sozzi. Brian is the editor-at-large and anchor for Yahoo Finance Live. Brian, great to see you. So what was driving the market higher today?
Well, I think this is one of those sessions where you just take off your tie like I have, chuck in the bag and just shake your head because it is totally bewildering. This session started off with an out-of-the-blue financial warning from one of the most important and biggest companies in the world. That is Microsoft. They came out, they lowered their sales outlook, they lowered their guidance, they blamed volatility in foreign currency markets. But let's be real here. This is Microsoft probably getting concerned about the economic outlook. And there's a lot of other companies that have come out over the past week or so and warned, and yet you're seeing the market hang tough after really a tough May. I think when we talk to a lot of folks on Wall Street, the bottom line is this: you are likely to see what is called more bear market rallies over the next few weeks. What is a bear market rally? Essentially a market that is still going down, but you will see investors try to pick the bottom like they probably tried to do today.
Brian, J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jason Diamond recently predicted what he calls an economic hurricane due to the war in Ukraine, rising inflation pressures, and interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. Do you agree with his assertion that everything looks fine now, but we should prepare for a downturn?
Well, when someone like the CEO of J.P. Morgan, Jamie Dimon, comes out here and speaks, you sit back and you best listen. And this is him downgrading his forecast for the economy. It was just in early May, I believe, where he said he was looking for dark clouds. So he's now really playing, going all in on this meteorologist thing that he's trying to become and looking for an economic hurricane. And the economic hurricane, and not to be alarmist, it is already here. You have inflation raining down on the heads of the financial statements of very large companies like the Microsoft I just mentioned. Profit margins are under attack. Profits themselves are under attack. So here's Jamie Dimon, I think, trying to set the expectations of investors correctly as we start to hear from more companies in a few weeks as they report their latest financial results.
And Brian, oil prices fell after the Financial Times reported Saudi Arabia and other OPEC members could increase crude production if Russia's output falls. That's good news, right? What are the long-term effects of this?
Well, hopefully it starts to feed into my my car. It's costing me about $60 to fill up my car, and I'm not alone. I drive a small farm-made car here, so there's a lot of consumers that are getting hit over the head by higher gas prices. Just this week alone, despite this news that came out of OPEC, you have now 7 states where gas is over $5 a gallon for regular unleaded, just the gas that you need for your car. So it's going to take a while likely for this news coming out of OPEC today, which is good. To your point, it's good to see things like this, but it will take a while before the pullback in crude oil prices from $120 barrel oil levels that we saw earlier in the week to feed through into consumers. And even when they do, consumers are still looking for gas prices probably over $4.50 a gallon. So no big, huge relief on the horizon anytime soon.
Man, those gas prices. Brian Sozzi, thank you.